Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain the Amazon Blue Heaven Makeup Kit review. We'll dive into what you can typically expect to find inside these popular kits, often featuring a range of essential makeup items. I'll also highlight who these kits are best suited for, whether you're a beginner or looking for an affordable option. Plus, we'll touch upon their general price point and how easily accessible they are on Amazon, making them a convenient choice for many. Let's talk about the actual performance of the makeup. We'll assess the pigmentation of the eyeshadows, often ranging from subtle to moderately vibrant, and their blendability for seamless application. We'll also look at the longevity of the foundation and compact powder, typically offering several hours of wear. Furthermore, we'll discuss the texture and finish of the lip products, which usually provide a comfortable feel and a decent color payoff. Now, let's consider the value for money these kits offer. A typical Blue Heaven makeup kit often includes anywhere from 5 to 10 different items, providing a comprehensive set. We'll compare this cost-effectiveness to purchasing individual products, often finding significant savings. These kits are frequently an excellent choice for makeup beginners or for those needing a compact, all-in-one solution for travel, offering great convenience and variety. To wrap things up, let's summarize the pros and cons. On the positive side, these kits are incredibly affordable and offer a wide variety of products, making them great for experimentation. However, some users might find the pigmentation or longevity could be improved for professional use. Ultimately, if you're seeking an accessible, budget-friendly option for everyday makeup or learning, a Blue Heaven kit is often a solid choice, providing good value.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.